Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about some amazing computer laptop tips and tricks. Let's begin. Bring back that tab you accidentally closed. If you close a tab by mistake, don't worry, you can bring it back by simply pressing Ctrl-Shift-T and get back to what you were doing. You can press CMD-Shift-T to bring back a closed tab if you're on Mac. Undo everywhere with a simple keyboard shortcut. Did you know you can undo nearly any action in a Windows operating system? You probably know that pressing Ctrl-Z will undo anything you just typed, but this also applies to everything else. For example, if you accidentally moved or deleted a file, hitting Ctrl-Z will bring it right back to its original location. Additionally, you can redo anything you undid by pressing Ctrl-Y. Password protect your files. The simplest way to lock down access to specific files is to create an encrypted archive. If you've installed a copy of WinRAR, 7-zip, or the Unarchiver for Mac, you can create a new archive, select to encrypt its content, and password protect them. Emoji keyboard. No matter the topic, there's probably an emoji you can use to represent it. To access your emoji keyboard, press the Windows key, period or Windows semicolon on Windows, and CMD Control spacebar on Mac OS. You can scroll through all the available emojis in categories people, nature, food, drink, celebration, activity, travel places, and object symbols, or search the full list of emojis from the search box at the top of the window. Enable night mode on all your devices. Enabling night mode can come in handy if you usually work at night or like to read with the lights off. Whether you're on Mac or Windows, you might want to try using f.lux. However, both operating systems have some built-in support for night mode. Cut down on the number of apps running at startup. If your PC is taking too long to boot, it's likely because you have too many programs running at startup. Luckily, you can easily reduce them, allowing your PC to launch faster. On most Windows computers, you can access the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-ESC, then clicking the Startup tab. Select any program in the list and click the Disable button if you don't want it to run on startup. If you want more interesting tips like these, write down in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.